Marelli, one of the largest global organizations within the automotive industry, with a solid presence in Brazil since 1978, brings another innovation to market, the ethanol sensor, developed and manufactured entirely in Brazil. Believing in Brazilian ingenuity, Marelli installed the production line in Hortolândia, where it has been present since 1996, thereby creating further jobs for the region. The assembly line infrastructure is a benchmark in technology, was solely designed by Brazilian engineers, and helped to promote local suppliers, stimulating the entire national production chain. Being pioneers in the flex fuel system, technology that enabled the use of biofuel vehicles, Marelli introduced the ECS system, which optimizes cold starts with ethanol fuel core. Now in constant evolution, it presents the ethanol sensor, which meets the Vehicle Emissions Control Program, known as ProConv L8 and effective since January 2025. Brazilian engineers developed a solution to identify the percentage of ethanol present in the fuel, informing and preparing the engine for higher efficiency and lower environmental impact. Moreover, it is aligned with Rota 2030 and Mover, federal programs designed to stimulate the development of the national automotive industry in the country. Marelli, investing in Brazil for the future of energy efficiency.